Hey there, beautiful souls. So, look who I've got with me. So, Allorah arrived yesterday. It was, what was it doing? What was the weather doing yesterday?
Moderate rain.
Moderate. And because of that moderate rain, there's been landslides, flooding, waterfalls, and just generally like
pools in the backyard.
Pools in the backyard, a deluge, you could say. Yeah. And so there's like a bit of sunshine. I'll show you. Look at this beautiful semi-clear sky. And I've decided to bring Allorah down to the rocks. Now I have filmed ritual here, I've taken lots of photos, but the river, the water is up really, really high. So we're gonna go down there and have a little look. Her first nature outing. Her first nature outing.
I'm a little terrified.
So we are here at the Rocks Reserve, and usually you can walk down here and all the way down to the footpath. But as you can see, the water might be up a little bit. Because of all the moderate rain that we've had.
Look at the bench.
Yeah. So usually you get to that bench, you can sit there, there's no water there. Then you have to walk down a section right to the embankment. And you can dip your toes in the water, and it's about ankle to knee deep down there. I would say that such is not the case today. So there's the footpath. The footpath is completely underwater.
Is that like
that's the foot? No, that's the foot. That's the
footpath.
Yeah, we're not gonna, we're not gonna go for a big walk. So all of this is the byproduct of what they called moderate rain yesterday. What does it feel like?
Feels nice.
It's good. It's nice and clear. But yeah, that's the footpath all the way along. It's moving fast. I've actually done ritual down there. I've got videos where I'm just on this beautiful rocky area right near the river. Rue's with me. Quite underwater right now. But it is beautiful. Look at the forest. There are actually some picnic benches down there somewhere. I'm not sure where. Oh, Rennie Ruth's getting bitten by mosquitoes, but I just wanted to share this. Nice little sign underwater. Really pretty today, guys. There's LaRue. She's getting bitten by mozzie. We are at the Crystal Cascades right now. Allorah's taking in the sights. So all the waterways are looking really good at the moment. She's getting attacked by mosquitoes. We just head to toe in our tropical armour, aka Bushmans. Those of you from Australia will know what I'm talking about, right mate? But it's beautiful down here today, and all you can hear is, what can you hear?
Water.
Just water, like heaps of it. Moving really damn fast too.
Rapids.
And this is usually called the Crystal Cascades. It's a nice river, it's gentle, it's got moss covered rocks and beautiful clear water, and the fish swim. I dare say the fish are not going to be as mellow as they usually are, but it's really nice. I'm sure you can hear the sound of the water. Oh, that's a bit muddy. Coffee club with Rennie Ruth. Yeah, she's drawing up a storm.
A monkey.
And she's drawing a monkey. Now Miss Allorah, first impressions, more or less, because you only got here yesterday, but first impressions of Cairns, like just describe it in a couple of words.
Tropical.
Yes.
Hot. Wet.
That's on every postcard.
Yeah, well you said a couple words.
Yeah, that's it.
Monkey.
Beg your pardon?
Muggy.
Muggy. That's the one. That's the one. That's the thing. But how would you say like the nature is here?
Awesome. Yeah, it's, so it's really, really green and really lush.
And Tataya.
Cheeky monkey. You are a cheeky monkey.
I'm doing the chicken monkey.
You're like a superstar, Roo. Like a superstar.
But yeah.
So very green. And how would you say like the plant life differs from, you know, the areas in America that you're familiar with?
So a lot more tropical plants, for sure. Like bigger leaves, bigger leafed plants. I don't know if I can. So we have pines and stuff, and well, pines and oak and those type trees, deciduous trees, which have leaves, but it's like a lot of small leaves, whereas these your leaves are like huge.
We have massive blades and heart-shaped leaves, and everything's quite big. Even the ground level foliage, it's really quite wide and big.
Yeah, for sure.
So you're getting your nature fix?
Yes, I've missed trees. WA don't have much trees.
And rain. She's got a tree of rain.
Oh yeah. Because it hasn't rained in WA since January.
That's a bummer, hey?
Yeah. Oddly enough, it rained in WA last night.
How funny is that?
but nothing like here.
That's it. We've had so much rain. Like we really have. We're gonna see some storms tonight, apparently.
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently. I mean, I don't know. They said that the rain was moderate yesterday, so. Hello, Allorah. Let's go say hey, Brad to Ready Ray. Ready Ray! How old are you now, Ready Ray? You had a birthday, didn't you? Oh, she's doing it with her fingers. How many?
Ready. Look. Do like this. There you go.
There you go, 3! You're so clever. You're so good. So, I'm here at Barron Falls with Miss Allorah, who's busy taking some photos there, and here is the falls behind us. We've had a lot of rain, so the falls are really, really cranking at the moment, throwing a lot of mist up into the air and things like that. So, impressions?
It's gorgeous.
It's pretty spash. It's legit spash, actually. And it's a nice day. The sun just came out just then. So, it's exciting stuff.
It finally stopped raining.
Finally. It's been so wet though. Like we say it in jest, but it's literally been like so like phenomenal amounts of rain. And that's always exciting. I'll spin you around so you can have a look. There it is. Right down there. Sky above us. Very lovely. Look at how gorgeous it is. Really received a lot of water, so it's quite full. It's moving at a pretty rapid pace. It's obviously quite brown at the moment as well because it hasn't really been picking up all sorts of debris on the way down. But it is very, very beautiful. Look at it throwing all that mist down to the bottom there. Okay, so I have brought Allorah into the Crystal Ball bookstore here with owner Angie. And she's looking at the decks. So we are at the Binder Boulders today. And it's really, really pretty. we thought that it might be a little bit
Dirty.
well, dirty because of all the rain that we've seen, and when we went up to Barron and we saw the falls there, it was quite dirty, but it is an absolutely beautiful. Look at this. There's lots of people swimming. I'm trying not to, you know, film anyone inadvertently. There. It's really lovely. The water is actually quite green here. Everything's really green here at the moment. But there's a perfect clarity to the water today that is just so lovely. So we are trying to do the waterfall tour today, and I'm going to be driving around far north Queensland looking for waterfalls. Should be a good one.
I totally just filmed you taking a selfie.
We are walking through Waroonga National Park, heading for Josephine Falls. Now, this is a pretty gorgeous bit of country. What do you think, Allorah?
Fabulous!
Oh look, it's our first little creek crossing. Yay!
Look how clear the water is.
Yeah, it's pretty damn gorgeous right here. Look at that. And look above us, this is the canopy that we are under. Like, it's full national park. Thoughts so far? Look at it. It's just so gorgeous.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, all the way up.
All the way up.
There's a lot of that here. You will find. So lovely. To the golden hole.
Weird phone.
So the golden hole.
She can't even say it with a straight face.
It's not too far from Josephine Falls, and it's pretty, but there's crocs in the water here.
It's inhabited by crocodiles.
Indeedly do.
So we ain't getting in.
Not even one little toe. So let's try and find this highway and go on our Tablelands adventure.
Yeah.
So far, Allorah, describe our experience thus far.
What do you mean describe it?
Well, how have we been going? What have we been doing?
It's fucking awesome.
I know, but like the things that we were talking about in the national park.
So when we went to Josephine Falls, it's like really intense fae energy, very old Mother Earth goddess. Like, I was expecting Anya to come out of the trees.
She's like, this is the land of giants.
Yeah, because everything is so big in the rainforest, and so you feel very small.
Yeah, it's very humbling. It is, it's very humbling. Look at this gorgeous grassy area.
Yeah, look
at
that stone circle.
And these beautiful boulders in an arrangement over there. It's really sweet. Absolutely gorgy, and isn't it a beautiful day?
Yeah.
Like, it's such a lovely day today.
Starting to get a tad warm.
Yeah, no, it's legit warm. We are going to go up to the Tablelands though, and typically speaking, this is not guaranteed, but typically speaking, it can be anywhere between 5 and 8 degrees cooler up in the Tablelands. So I do have a thermometer thingy, a thermostat, something. I have a gauge in the car that will tell me the temperature. And we shall see what it is, and then we'll be able to see what the difference is as well. Here's the stone circle. Isn't that pretty? Yes, it is. You can feel the spray from the waterfall all the way from here. It is so refreshing and just absolutely freaking beautiful. What a nice day for it. The water's a bit cloudy still from the big storms that we've had, but it's starting to clear up, which is always nice. We have to walk upstairs. And we just walked upstairs. I'm puffed. But it's awesome. At least we're breathing in fresh air. Allorah's taking a beat. We are at Zilsey Falls. We're going in here. Gonna have a bit of a look around. I am once again back at this gorgeous guy here. This is the curtain fig. Of course, I've brought Allorah. She's in the background going, oh! So, it's time. It's time for Allorah to go home. She's been here for a week already. I don't even know how that happened. I was just saying to her that it's like you've popped out of the computer and now you're going to pop back in. But we have filled our days with, what have we done? Pretty much. Nature, shopping, chips. Chips. Lots of chips. Hot chips. Hot chips. And we went to the Crystal Ball bookstore. Yep. Lots of waterfall. Yeah, Esplanade. Port Douglas today. The waterfall track yesterday. Saw lots of like wild weather, like the White Rapids and beaches and Great Barrier Reef Road. We've done lots of stuff actually. Yeah. Had a girls' night last night. Oh yeah, I got rowdy. We had a little girls' night here. Keep it, you know, just to keep it interesting. So it was all really good, but now she's flying out and she will be heading back to Western Australia, where I'm really hoping that some of you WA witches will reach out to Allorah, because she's only here for a short term and it would be really nice for her to get to connect with lots of Western Australian pagans. So if you are a Western Australian pagan witch, she's looking at you. She's looking at you. Allorah has a YouTube channel. What's your channel? youtube.com/Allorah Rayne. Allorah Rayne, that's right. And she is on STW and Facebook. So if you are in her neck of the woods, then look her up, send her a message and organise something wonderful, because I know that there's some wonderful witches on the West Coast. So, any last words? Talk to you soon, guys. Much love, many blessings. Bye.